Yeah boy, yeah boy, yeah boy. Welcome to Watch Me Build It. Today we've got a quick video. It's going to be an unboxing of a Parnis chronograph. It's not a Parnis Daytona, it's based on the Parnis Daytonas, but you won't find a bi-compax Daytona anywhere, well, as much as I know. I went looking for any watch that this one homaged, and I came up with the Bell&Ross Bellytanker. So this watch that I'm about to unbox is actually based on a Bell&Ross. Well done, Bell&Ross, you've been homaged. I want to have a look at this watch in close detail. I bought this from Parnis. You pay quite a bit more than you would for a Parnis watch off of AliExpress. Parnis promise that the watches you buy directly from their site are of a higher quality, that their QC is better, that the movements they use are better, that the finishing is better, and all in all it's a superior product. I have another Parnis chronograph on the way, and that one is a Daytona, a blue dial Daytona, and I will do a head-to-head between these two watches and test the theory. Is it worth paying $150 for a watch on the Parnis website, or are your sub $100 offerings off of AliExpress just as good? So the Parnis chronograph, homage to the Bell&Ross Bellytanker. Don't watch me build it, just watch me unbox it. Wristwatch check for the day. My newly built Omega. I don't know if I've posted the video on this or not, but this, ladies and gentlemen, is what happens when Rolex and Omega are left in a room together for too long. I'm really loving this one, really loving it. Before we go anywhere, this background is by Johann Smith, a very famous South African painter and a brilliant artist. Have a look him up on the internet. You'll see amazing work by him, and I just want to give him a shout out. That's where today's background is from. Here though is the parcel, delivered by Aramex, front door service, and it just came in a few moments ago. Tear that open, and now we're coming down to it. Thought I'd use my limited edition special issue kitchen scissors to do the opening over here. Yes, that is a little bit sarcastic. TGV and all the others who like to brag about their knives, I don't have a brag-worthy knife yet. So to begin with, we're a step ahead of AliExpress. There is a box involved over here. You can see we've got some serial numbers, some more serial numbers, a bit of process control over there. Coming to the front, Parnis, yeah. What's this box like? This box is, it's a paper box. Well constructed, but nothing tremendously special. On the inside, we have a uniquely number stamped Parnis warranty card. No date, no reference, nothing else, but quite simply this over here. We have an instruction manual, a bit of foam covering, and there, ladies and gentlemen, is the watch itself. So this, genuinely, I've opened this on camera. What are my initial thoughts? Initial thoughts is that this is a really beautiful watch. The lighting is quite obtuse over here. I'm just going to move the camera. Slightly less contre-jour lighting. But yes, this is, I own another Parnis, and we're looking at really similar quality. This isn't a review, simply an unboxing. We've got the, if we go with the buckle, begin where I should begin. What have we got? We've got a double deploying clasp, milled with a bit of perlage on the bridge of the milled portion of the buckle. We've got 3 points of micro adjust. No, nothing special about that there. On the strap, we've got the oyster strap, highly polished in the middle, brushed on the edges. Good looking strap. I've still got to unwrap it. I'll take all the plastic off in a moment. And then coming around, standard Rolex Daytona homage on the case, which means absolutely boring. solid lugs. And then coming around to the face, a really well detailed bezel. Really well detailed bezel. I think something that the eye sees that you don't pick up on camera is just the crispness of those numerals and the detailing. And then the face itself, yeah, great detailing on the face. 24-hour, 60-minute chronograph hand over here. Nice thing, this is running the VK, is it VK67 or VK62 movement? I'll get the proper name of the movement. Since you've only got indexes at 9 and 3, there's no second hand that's ticking. And I found that quite appealing. Let's just have a look. Ah, look at that. Yeah. And let's see what is the reset motion like. Wow, look at that. Just a nice, beautiful. I don't think you call that flyback, just a click back motion. Give me a moment to uncover it and do a wrist shot. Okay, so there it is in all of its resplendent glory. Folks, this really is a stunning watch. Really is a beautiful watch. Look how well done that highly polished lug is. There's no brushing on any of the watch surfaces. In the front, we've got some brushing on the back, on the case back, and over here as well, on the underside of the case. Yeah, I think that is great. That really is fantastic. Here we go, guys. 7¼ inch wrist. I haven't sized it up yet. It's only a 40mm case, if I'm not mistaken. I'll give the specs in the review video. But it sits beautifully. It's got the same, it's kind of got the Yachtmaster edge. Nice round profile, highly polished, stunning piece. Quite a bit smaller on my wrist because of the 40mm size. But yeah, it's a winner for sure. It's a winner. So, what do you think? My first Parnis from Parnis. What has this experience been like purchasing this watch? Sorry, busy looking at the watch and just really admiring it. Purchasing online on their online store was a cinch. Payment, no problems whatsoever. Delivery, there was a glitch. When I first purchased this watch last year, it disappeared. The first one disappeared. Parnis explained that they were busy rejigging their delivery system and they were moving over to a 4DC model worldwide. So they don't simply ship only out of China now, they ship from all over the place. And somehow in the process of assigning this to a brand new DC, something got lost in translation. And then somehow the package went missing. I was in touch with them constantly. They gave me good feedback within 2 days every time I sent an email. And finally they said, no, we're going to send you a brand new one. They dispatched this probably a month ago, right after Chinese New Year, just before the coronavirus. And the ports got blocked for ages. It was probably 1 week ago that I got the email from Parnis to say, hey, your watch is on its way. I have it delivered to my door in South Africa 1 week later. And I've got to say, top marks Parnis. That's not an experience that you're going to have with an AliExpress purchase. AliExpress comes via snail mail. Some suppliers do give you the option of upgrading at a cost, but here, of course, the shipment cost is covered in the price. The watch itself, I'm really blown away by this, and I'm going to enjoy this piece tremendously. Look forward to the review of this. Look forward to doing the head-to-head with the other Parnis chronograph that's coming off of AliExpress, for which I paid less than $40. And that's going to be an interesting head-to-head to see how those two compare with one another. So guys, stay tuned to the channel. Keep your eye out. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear from you. And be sure to watch all of the other videos that I've posted on my channel. Go well, stay safe, and thank you for watching me build.